guys, the EarFun Air Pro 2, they're finally here. We're going to jump right into the video. You saw the quick unboxing in the beginning of the video. Let's take a look and see what we get inside of the packaging. To charge, a USB-C to USB-A, a bunch of extra silicone tips here on the table, so get that good seal, guys. It does make a huge difference. User's manual. We also get a little cleaning card because they did include a little swab here to clean your earbuds. And of course the packaging here, very clean, very simple, but I do like their packaging. Picture of the buds, very similar look to the original EarFun Airs. The specs on the bottom, the branding on the top, and if we turn it around, all of the specs, well, most of them are listed here on the back. We're going to go over all the specs in a minute. Now the actual earbuds here, the branding on the top, plastic case, that matte finish on here, which you know I like, but we do have a glossy finish on the actual earbud. Stem style design, so if these are not for you, if you don't like a stem style earbud, that's okay. I would suggest giving these a try. Very good pair of earbuds here for the price, guys. The L and the R, you do have your pair button right there in the middle, and if we take these out, we'll get a better look at the actual earbuds here. So very nice, very clean. These are touch controls. All right, let's throw them in the ear. You guys can see how they look. And we'll talk about comfort and feel. Now, these do have in-ear detection, so it did start to play music. So double tap to pause. We'll talk about all that stuff in a little bit. But first off, look, comfort and fit. I know a lot of you guys don't like stem style earbuds. I see comments all the time about it. I don't mind it. You guys know that. I don't have any problems with them. For me, they are usually more comfortable than traditional earbuds, and these are no different. Very lightweight earbuds here. You can see they're not too bad. They don't stand out, and I don't know why people don't like the look of them. I don't mind them at all. Look, it's when the original AirPods came out, it was something new. A lot of people didn't like that look. It's different now. This is more common. You don't do a double take anymore when you see somebody rocking these earbuds. You just don't. It's normal in the world today, so I don't mind them. So if you have an issue with these, look, especially on a pair of earbuds like this, give them a try. They're not expensive, and they're a really good pair of earbuds. Spoiler alert, they're a really good pair of earbuds. So now let's talk about all of the specs on the EarFun Air Pro 2. So Bluetooth 5.2 on these earbuds, SBC and AAC for your codecs. These do have wireless charging. There is a fast charge feature on here. 10 minutes will get you 2 hours of juice. Battery life on here, 7 hours, and around 33, 34 with ANC off. And with ANC on, you're going to get about 6 hours and about 30 with the case. IPX5 sweat resistant, so not waterproof, but you can work out with these. You're not going to have any issues at the gym with these earbuds. Now, these do have hybrid ANC, up to 40 decibels of noise cancellation, which is pretty good. And they also have a transparency mode or an ambient mode, whatever you call it. We all call it different things, but it's all basically the same thing. We'll talk about how good those are in a bit. Touch controls that I am happy to say do control everything, including volume. I will walk you through the touch controls, in-ear detection, and you can use one earbud at a time. Now, price on these right now on Amazon, $79.99, but on Amazon there's a 10% off coupon that you could add when you check out, and I'm also going to include a 15% off coupon here in the description below, in the link below. So you're going to get about 25% off, so you're going to be able to pick these up for around 59 bucks, and at that price, these are a steal. That's why I said earlier, give them a try, even if you don't like stem style earbuds, because at that price point for 59 bucks right now, these things are a really good deal. So let's talk about let's just go through everything. We're going to start with a mic test and check out the mics.
All right, guys, the mic test for the EarFun Air Pro 2, 3 mics on each earbud. Let me know what you think of the call quality on here. This is going to give you an idea of what it sounds like on a phone call. But now we're going to turn on some crowd noise, and let me know what you think, guys. All right, guys, crowd noise, people talking. You're at a stadium, you're watching some football, you're watching whatever sport you like. This will give you an idea of what it sounds like on a phone call in a crowded room with some noise. Let me know what you think of the mics. Hopefully it does a good job. Hopefully it's clear, the clarity is good, and it's still loud enough. Let me know. Drop some comments below.
All right, guys, touch controls on these earbuds. Let's just walk through them really quick. So if we play some music on the right earbud, if I just touch and hold, it's going to beep. It's going to bring up your voice assistant, and that would be Siri on an iPhone, Google Assistant, or whoever you use on an Android device. If we just once and hold, touch and hold once. It's not even how you say it. But if we touch and hold on the left earbud, it's going to scroll through your ambient sound, your ANC, or turn it off. I like that we have the option to actually turn it off. Now, on the right earbud, if we double tap, it's going to play and pause. So you see it does pause here. And if we double tap again, it will play. And of course, same on the left earbud. And that's how you answer and end a phone call. Now, if we triple tap on the right earbud, watch below, it's going to go to the next track. We'll do it one more time. Next track. And on the left earbud, it will do the opposite. It will go back to the previous track. And the touch controls on here do work very well. I like them. There's a tiny little prompt that goes off when you do it, but it's instant. I do like it, and I think they work really good. Now, just be aware, you can use one earbud at a time. I can throw one in the case, take it out, close it, and you can use one at a time. You do have to hit play because there is in-ear detection, right? It's not just going to keep playing. It's going to pause when you take it out of your earbud because of in-ear detection. So if you hit play again, music is playing again, but you're only going to have those touch controls available for that earbud. So I'm not going to be able to go to the next track. I'm only going to be able to go back to the previous track. And volume, right? The right earbud is volume up and the left earbud is volume down. So just be aware of that. It's just minor things. You can control that stuff from your phone if you want, but you can use one at a time. Always a good thing. And in-ear detection, you just saw, it did take it out. We'll show you again. Music is playing right now. I'll take the right earbud out. It does pause. We put it back in, and it will start to play automatically. It's pretty fast. It works, and it does work really well. Left earbud, take it out, and put it back in, and it will start to play again automatically. I love in-ear detection. Always a big fan of that since the original AirPods did come with that. Next, let's talk about the ambient mode and transparency mode on the EarFun Air Pro 2. Guys, these earbuds right now with all the coupons you can get for $59, and I'm using ambient mode right now. When earbuds are in my ear, I prefer actually ambient mode and transparency mode on earbuds more so than ANC. I find myself using that more unless I'm at work. At work, it's different, right? Loud equipment. I like ANC, but anywhere else, I prefer ambient mode. The ambient mode on here is good. It's very natural sounding. It lets in a lot of the outside noise, and it's clear. There's not a lot of white noise coming in, right? A lot of times on the ambient modes, you get extra noise that is just, well, basically noise, right? This is a little different. I hear the outside world. My AC is on right now. I can hear that loud and clear. I can hear my dogs if I want to, and my voice is very natural. I like it. It's not as powerful as some of the other earbuds, which is why we don't get a lot of that extra white noise in, but I think it's a good balance here. I think they did a really good job at this price point with the really good ambient mode. So I like the ambient mode on here. Now let's talk about active noise cancellation. Hybrid ANC up to 40 decibels does a really good job at taking out a lot of those low rumbles, even some of the voices and the higher end. Not completely, right? At this price point, you're not going to get that. But as far as ANC goes on a pair of earbuds at this price point, even without the coupons at $80, very good job here with ANC. It does a really good job with all of the low rumbles, all of the, in AC, a car engine, things like that. It's going to take out most of those sounds. So for the price, what we get with ANC and ambient mode, this is kind of like the standard. This is what it should be. I think this is a very good point of quality on both for the price. So I like it. I think they did a really good job with both on these earbuds. Next, let's talk about the volume and the sound quality on the EarFun Air Pro 2. So volume-wise, I would like a little more. You guys know if you follow the channel, I like loud music. I like to dial it up, find that sweet spot, dial it back a little bit, and then I'm good to go. But if I'm ever in a place where I need more, I want a little extra. These kind of don't give me that, right? I think for most people, I'm extra. I think for most people, these are going to be good enough. But for me, I would like a little more. I have to listen to these, 90, 95%. I really don't have much more room to go if I wanted that little bit of extra. So volume-wise, I think I would like a little more volume on these earbuds. Now, sound quality on here, these are my type of earbuds. You guys know I like that bass. I like clean bass, though. I don't want the bass to muddy up anything. and these are just that. We get that V shape here, really good highs, really good bass. We like that thump, and this is what we get with the EarFun Air Pro 2. So if you like that thump, you're gonna like these earbuds, and the mids sound good, they're clear, but the highs and the bass stand out on these earbuds. We get that V shape, overall very good sound. These are the earbuds that I like. These are what I like to rock with on a day in and day out earbuds just like this. So volume on here, I would like a little more sound quality. I think just about anyone, you're gonna have fun with these earbuds. You will, they're good. Now, as far as latency goes on the EarFun Air Pro 2, gaming on here, you know, Netflix, anything like that, you're going to be good. The heavier games, maybe every now and then you are going to notice a slight delay, but I really didn't notice anything. Playing Call of Duty on these earbuds was fine. I think you're going to have a really good time, even without a gaming mode on these earbuds. All right, guys, look, the EarFun Air Pro 2, a really good pair of earbuds here. EarFun, they just bring quality with everything. And shout out to EarFun. They did send these to me to review, but not a paid review. You guys will see this before they do. But look, the price point, I always talk about value, bang for buck when it comes to products, any type of product in tech or anything that we buy, right? We want value. This is what we get here with these earbuds. We're getting a ton of bells and whistles. We get ANC, ambient mode, volume control. We're getting wireless charging, really good battery life. I'm glad to see that moving forward towards the end of the year, beginning of the year, earbuds that had ANC, with ANC on max around 5 hours of battery life, some even worse than that. We're starting to see technology is improving now. We're getting 6, 7 hours of battery life with ANC on, and it's just going to continue to get better. So the sound quality on here, I really like the sound quality on these earbuds. The quality of ANC and ambient mode on here are really good in my opinion. I think they go well above what we're paying for these earbuds. They're not competing with the best. Don't get me wrong. They're not competing with AirPod Pros or anything like that. But as far as the next tier down, right? AirPod Pros, the Sennheisers, the Sonys, those type of buds, put them in the A category. These are like B+. Like underneath those, but top of the line underneath those, bang for buck, we're getting some of the best earbuds here when it comes to dollar value versus quality, right? So keep that in mind. EarFun Air Pro 2, really good pair of earbuds. Drop some comments, guys. Let me know what you think of the microphones on here, if they're good. 3 mics on each earbud. Overall, another solid drop from EarFun. They just keep bringing solid products year in and year out, bud in and bud out. That's it, guys. If you're new to the channel, hit that like. A sub would be appreciated. I'll be back with more. Peace.